In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Fifine microphone to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily set up any Fifine microphone. Regardless of the model, you will be able to connect it to a Windows PC or even a MacBook. So all that you have to do is use the proper connection type. For most Fifine microphones, they will have a USB connection, so all that you have to do is plug this cable directly into your MacBook, PC, or any other compatible device. So just look for a compatible USB port and plug the microphone in. The other end of the cable will usually go at the back of the microphone like this. So once the connection is established between your PC or Mac and the microphone, you are good to go. Alternatively, if you have an XLR microphone from Fifine, you will most likely need an audio interface. So you need to connect the Fifine to the audio interface first, and after it has been connected to the audio interface, then you can connect it to your Mac or the PC. But like I said, because most Fifine microphone models are going to be USB, you simply have to plug it into any compatible port. Now, if you go over to the sound settings and you access the input category, you will see it listed as a USB device. Even if it doesn't say Fifine microphone, you will still be able to select it. So look for USB PNP audio device or Fifine microphone and choose it. Make sure that the input level is properly set up. And as long as it appears on this list and you control the volume, you will now be able to use it on places like Google Meet, Zoom. You can use it inside of games, and it is going to be available as an input device. Most Fifine microphones are easy to set up. You simply plug a cable into them and the other end of the cable into the respective device that you want to connect them to, and you don't have to download any drivers, any sort of software. They are plug and play. I hope I was able to help you on how to use or connect Fifine microphone to MacBook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.